Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. If you are new here, we film all our workouts right here from the basement for beginners mostly. We are starting up in 30 seconds. This is a beginner core workout. This is great if you want to start developing a little bit of core strength, stability, and a little bit of mobility. We have 10 different exercises, no repeat exercises. We're going to go on for 40 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. And we are starting in about 10 seconds or so. We're going elbow to knee. The preview is always going to be right here. If there is a clock, it's always going to be on this wall right here. You guys ready to get going? 3, 2, 1, arms up and elbow to knee. Nice and easy at your own pace. It's 40 seconds. If you want to go a little bit quicker, it's fine. If you want to go a little bit slower or take a break, it's also great. You just want to move and stay in control at all times. If you find this workout easy, I have more difficult workouts on the channel. If you find it just right, just stay right here. Basic core exercises, no crunches, nothing like that. No sit-ups, I should say, so you don't have to worry about hurting your neck or your back or anything. Just stay in control throughout the entire movement. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, 20 seconds of relaxation. Now we're gonna do a little bit of single leg balances. So you can raise your arms over your head if you like, or you can leave it down here. If you have dumbbells, you want to make it more difficult, raise a dumbbell over your head or a single one. We're just going to balance on one leg for about 2-3 seconds, and then going to switch legs. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Stand. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2, 3. That's easier. If you want to make it more difficult, knee up. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2. I'm not perfect, I fall over all the time. 2, 3. Gonna make it even more difficult. Arms up, knee up. 1, 2, 3. Notice how my legs start shaking right away. 1, 2, 3. Believe it or not, this is working your core. 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. 3 seconds. Let's do one more. 1, 2, and 3. All right. I said no sit-ups. I didn't say no crunches. Let's get down on the ground. So when you perform your crunches, you gotta make sure that lower back is tucked against the floor. Right here, there should be no room. You don't have to put your arms behind your head. This is only for extra resistance. It's not to help you get up in any sort of way. So you can leave your arms right here and just crunch up and down. And as you go down, keep that lower back against the ground. 1, I don't have to count today because there's a clock on the wall. It helps me out quite a bit. Hold it and down. Hold it and just touch and go. Ready? Touch and up. Touch and up. Concentrate on squeezing that core and that lower back into the ground. About 10 seconds left. Up, down, up, down, up. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and relax. And now we're going to do a reverse crunch. So instead of bringing your upper body up, you're gonna bring your legs up. So they're gonna stay in this 90-degree position or so. You can protect your lower back with your hands by putting it under your butt a little bit. Try to keep that lower back from arching. Ready? You're just gonna leave them right here. Lean back and go 1, and touch and go on the heels. Squeeze that lower back into the ground. That's what makes it a difficult exercise. And really concentrating on that core. Nice and easy. Up, down, up, down. 15 seconds left. Work with me. Up, down, up, and down. 10 seconds. Keep it up. Almost there. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now we're gonna get a little more difficult. Similar type of motion almost. We're gonna do a flutter kick. So once again, protect the lower back. And we're just gonna kick up and down, little tiny kicks. Squeeze the lower back into the ground and 3, 2, 1, and just give me a little kick. If this becomes too much, you can just do this. Put the feet down in between the reps. If that's too easy, you could just give me a little flutter kicks. But the key here is to squeeze that lower back into the ground. I keep on repeating because that's the most important part of this. 20 seconds left. This is a little more difficult of an exercise. Like I said, if you have to do this, relax and up, relax and up, relax, and 10 seconds left. And now we have 5. If you want to challenge yourself, bring those feet up and just hit 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're moving right along. Now we're doing something very similar. We're gonna flip over on our stomachs. Keep those arms in front of you, to the side, or whatever is the easiest for you, doesn't matter. Squeeze your belly into the ground, lift those legs up, and kick. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Little tiny kicks. The opposite of what we just did. Try to get those legs and those quads off the ground if you can. Challenge that core. Core is not just your stomach, it goes all the way around your body. Includes your lower back and your obliques on the sides. Just keep kicking, 15 seconds left. This is a nice, easy 10-minute workout that you can repeat every day to improve your mobility, like I said, and stability. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're standing up. We're gonna do some lunging and twisting. If you have a dumbbell, use a dumbbell. You don't have to use a dumbbell. This is all without weights for me today. I'm gonna put my arm behind my head and then I'm gonna twist as I lunge forward. So it's gonna take a step forward, twist, twist in control, and back. Step forward. I don't care how deep you lunge, the deeper the better. We don't judge here, so just keep going. Boom, up and back. Up and back. 2, you gotta stay in control. If you twist too quickly, you'll notice that you probably will lose your balance. So if you want to avoid this, step a little bit to the side. And back. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Now we're going to do some RDLs, single-legged ones. These are difficult to balance. If you have something to hold on to just a little bit. Perfect. Ready? I'm ready. You still have a few seconds left. You guys see the preview right now anyway. All right, 5 seconds, 4. I'm gonna hold on to it just to show you that it's okay to hold on to it. You can start on either leg. Gonna bend forward and come back. Bend the knee a little bit, this forward knee, and come back. And go as low as you can. Keep that back leg straight. Feel that hamstring, but the core is creating a lot of the balance. Eventually, if you can let go of the wall or the chair or the table that you're holding onto, that's even better. Down and back. Down, back. Less than 10 seconds left. Then we're gonna flip on over and do the other leg. Down, back, 3, 2, 1, and hey, just relax right now. All right, couple more exercises left. We're moving right along. Once again, I don't know if I mentioned I introduced myself. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. You've clicked on the channel. And all our workouts are filmed right here from the basement. So if I can do these workouts from the basement, you can do it from wherever you're at. Anyway, 4 seconds left, 3, 2, 1, switch legs, ready, and let's go. Down. This forward knee does not have to be locked in, it could be bent. Down, back, stay in control. Try to hold on less and less. One finger hold. 1, 2. 20 seconds left, down. You hinge at your waist. Down, that knee bends a little bit and straightens out as you come back. Down and up, less than 10 seconds left. Down, up, down, and up. And we have 1 exercise left, am I right? 1 exercise left, we're almost done. All right, gonna take a nice wide stand. I'm gonna bend down to one side, pretend you're picking something up, bring it over your head and put it down on the other side. Just gonna go back and forth. If you have a dumbbell, if you have a weight, like I said, if you wanna make this a little more difficult, feel free to do so. Ready? 3, 2, 1, down, up, and down on the other side. And up, and keep moving with me. And up, down, beautiful, up. Keep going, almost done, guys. 20 seconds left. Up, down, up. 15, we only got a few more repetitions left. 10 seconds, up, nice and easy, down, and up. 3, 2, let's do one more. 1, and we are done. And that was it. That was our nice and beginner-friendly core workout. I hope you guys enjoyed the work. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during next workout.